In this video, I will show you how to clear the host cache in Google Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome browser. Click on the address bar and type Chrome, net internals, number DNS, then press Enter. Once the page opens, you'll see the DNS section. Simply click Clear Host Cache to clear Chrome's DNS cache. After that, close Google Chrome completely and open it again. Then try visiting the website that was giving you problems. If the issue still isn't resolved, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, let it install. Then click Relaunch to restart the browser. Once Chrome reopens, try accessing the website again. In many cases, clearing the host cache and updating Chrome can help resolve slow loading or website connection issues.